Welcome back to Mindscope Psychology. In the previous video, we discussed the introduction to social psychology. In this video, we will understand one of the most important foundations of social psychology, research and methods used in social psychology. Social psychology is a scientific discipline. This means it does not depend on guesses or personal opinions. It relies on systematic research methods to study social behavior. Meaning of research in social psychology. Research in social psychology refers to a systematic and scientific process of collecting data, analyzing behavior, and drawing conclusions about how individuals think, feel, and behave in social situations. The main objective of research in social psychology is to understand, predict, and explain social behavior. Why research is important in social psychology? Research helps social psychologists test theories and assumptions. It helps in discovering new facts about social behavior. Research also helps in solving social problems such as prejudice, aggression, conformity, and group conflict. Without research, social psychology would remain a collection of opinions instead of a science. Main research methods used in social psychology. Social psychologists use several research methods depending on the nature of the problem. The most important methods are experimental method, observational method, survey method, and correlational method. Experimental method. The experimental method is the most scientific and widely used method in social psychology. In this method, the researcher deliberately manipulates one variable, known as the independent variable, and observes its effect on another variable, known as the dependent variable. Experiments are usually conducted in controlled conditions, either in laboratories or in natural settings. The main advantage of the experimental method is that it helps establish cause and effect relationships. However, its limitation is that behavior in artificial settings may not always reflect real-life behavior. Observational method. In the observational method, behavior is studied by carefully watching individuals or groups in natural or controlled situations. The researcher does not interfere or manipulate variables. This method is useful for studying natural behavior, social interactions, and group dynamics. Its main limitation is observer bias and lack of control over variables. Survey method. The survey method involves collecting data through questionnaires, interviews, or rating scales. It is useful for studying attitudes, opinions, beliefs, and social values of a large number of people. The advantage of this method is that it allows data collection from large samples in a short time. However, the accuracy of results depends on the honesty and understanding of the respondents. Correlational method. The correlational method studies the relationship between two or more variables. It helps determine whether variables are related to each other and in what direction. However, correlation does not prove causation. This is an important point for examinations. Case study method. The case study method involves an in-depth study of a single individual or group. It provides detailed and qualitative information about social behavior. Its limitation is that results cannot be generalized to the larger population. Ethical considerations in social psychology research. Social psychology research must follow ethical principles. Participants should give informed consent. Their privacy and confidentiality must be protected. Participants should not be harmed physically or psychologically. Ethical research increases the credibility and reliability of social psychology. Conclusion. To conclude, research methods are the backbone of social psychology. They help transform ideas into scientific knowledge. Experimental, observational, survey, correlational, and case study methods are commonly used to study social behavior. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Mindscope Psychology. More detailed and exam-oriented psychology videos are coming soon. Thank you for watching.